To Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. Yes, I bring our sister, our wifey, Miss Judy, come out. Yes, I just see the video yesterday. I click and I watch and say, wow, wait till be this. Say, quoi ça? Our wifey, they para. Our West Africa, from Kenya. She they para for airport for whether na Nairobi, Abi, I don't know the state. I know I never go Nairobi before. Now, whether Mazubi, Abi, Maracudi. And I not come from you. I just say our wifey just a para. I say, it's my right. I know my right. I can film. I can do this. I can do that. Some people go to side they lie. I know they lie. You can head to her channel, go watch her and give her a thumbs up. Tell her they come from Naija Daughter. So she want try to make awareness to tell people, say, whether na Muzabi, Abi, I don't know. Kenya, one state for Kenya, they know the fee film. Not my mouth now for here. Let me play her before we will talk about it, okay?
You are told not to film, just so wrong. I'm being told to switch off my camera, so I have to switch it off.
I tell you here, our wife, can't de para, me una hear more. She can't de para, oh. She can't de para. They say no, they will carry her go a place where I don't know.
Right. So we are here filming, we are being stopped, you are told not to film. This is insane. And this is what it's all about, being harassed as content creators at the airport. I'm tired. This is just so wrong. Wait and see what.
My people, I hope una don't see her. I hope una don't see the video and hear her voice when she the para, when they say no, you know, get right. They will carry her go office where she appreciate the oga pata on top. Say the oga pata she understand. He understand a bit. She understand. Say na content creator. You know, her husband will write for the comment section. Wodemaya. He said the struggle of Africa content creator. Yes. Struggle of Africa content creator, where I want to check my mouth for inside a little bit, you know, not only Africa, in this Europe, when we would do, if you go supermarket when you're supposed to film or you're supposed to vlog, they will tell you, say, no, you don't have right to vlog, you know, you must hide to vlog, to do a lot of things. That's one and that one. Secondly, when she say, they sign and say whether na Nairobi, I don't know, for Kenya, if na one day Kenya, one state for Kenya, they sign and say, make that the free content creator, make that the film. You understand? But when she can travel to this particular place, and she'd always they go there before, nobody don't ever harass her. But she was surprised when this person tell her and say, no, you don't have right to film. If you they film, you know, take your flight. You will miss your flight. She can't say, now go pay for the ticket. You know, now if you go to her channel, go watch. My own, I just drop my own opinion. So now watch this small one, then I'll drop my own opinion. Wait till they talk so that, you know, I'll just put my own opinion. When she go that particular state, say the people in the work for the airport come tell her say, they're not sign up for here. Yes, they're not sign up for here. Say, you'll fit film. You know, fit film for here. Delete all the film. Oga pata carry her enter office. They carry our wife go where she not know. Behold, Oga pata come understand because make she delete and she can't say no, she not delete her. She need to create awareness. That is content creator for you for real. She need to create awareness so that the international content creator may they not go for victim. People where they not be Kenyan, where they will come from all the way from different continent, different country, so that may they not go for victim for that particular state. Say maybe they will feel read down for internet now. Say Kenya they accept vlog, Kenya they accept filming. They will say yes. Maybe one particular state, so then when they'll come move to another state, they go say no, you don't have right. They will say now wait till they read. You know, it's good you make awareness. We study our wifey, yes, it's good. You apologize to some people when they would criticize what you do. They follow the workers fight. You apologize for me. I don't look at like say you follow the workers fight. You just try to claim your right. It's your right. But let me tell you, my beautiful wifey, some states law and other states law not they be the same. Like this state when me dey now, if I move to Paris, no be waiting. There's sign for here, no be in the dark side. Like this state where I did now for France now. If I go maybe like to Toulouse, yes, now not Toulouse, now Marseille. If I travel, go that side. Wait till they happen for this my state, no be they happen for Marseille, France. Wait till they happen for here, my state, no be they happen for what they call them, Bordeaux. You see, all states they get their law. My beautiful wife, I hope that one is clear. Now you don't understand. Say, you know me say they sign out for one state for Kenya. Yes, thank God say you be Kenyan. You not be another You not be another country when it come Kenyan, when it come go for victim. Glory be to God, you be Kenyan, okay? Now you create awareness. That your video, it mean a lot. Yes, like somebody like me, now if I say, me, I go Kenya tomorrow now, while they'll tell me, say, you don't have right to film here, I will quickly understand your video, quickly, enter my head. So, wow, our wifey, maybe now this state, now she for film, when they for Araxa, you understand? It's good as you create that awareness. And not only Africa, all over the world. Some place there where they will tell you, say, you don't have right to film. But what me want try to tell the world is, please, you guys should see this content creator as a job. Yes, it's a job. It's just like you carry somebody go hospital now. Like this country where I did, France. If you carry pregnant woman go hospital, it get where they will look that pregnancy reach. Then, if you not delivered between that hours where they give you, they don't even need your whether you accept, whether you not accept. Now, what did they go do? They go tear. Why can't you guys see us? Because we they pay tax. Content creator, they pay tax. They collect tax from us. Why can't you guys just see content creator as a job? We they work. I don't wake up this morning now. I bath family, take care of my family, bath my children, bath myself. Then I sit down here, try to film, try to crack my head, try to look for video to create content. The other of my channel, Esther Family. If you don't have that channel, what do they wait for? And that channel, they do vlog, I they do cook, I they make my daughter hair. I will try to do video. I will still upload them. Now job. It's time the world to know. Say this content people when they be content creator, in fact they work. It's not easy for you to sit down, start talking. It's not easy for you to carry video every time. They film, they do like this. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? This hand, before you finish that hi guys, this hand don't weaken you. You don't weaken. That is all the job when with the job. Now government just collect our tax for free. Then when one film, they'll say, no, you don't have right. No, you don't have right. It's time for you, those governments, to look into those things. Or else, when now they collect our tax again, including this France. Now they collect tax again. Now they collect content creator tax. No, now stop them. We they do our job. Person why they do cleaning maybe for France now. And people when they don't big, all those big YouTuber now catch out reach them. Or person when they do when be daughter, some daughter not catch out reach our content creator. Let's call it space now. Now they respect us as a content creator. We do our job. Yes, so as they come harass my wife, I say, wifey, sorry here. No worry. Very soon, I will come and kiss you. I will come and no worry. Yes, you still remain as your humble. You know me say, Percy just quiet. Then as you quiet, they will just chook for your eye. You say, no, may you not talk, may you not talk. Your reaction, when you even react for that airport, my wife, Miss Judy, your reaction still stand as you be decent girl. You be, in fact, you get that respect, okay? You see, at the end, now you come outside, you apologize to those people because everybody now just take with you. You say you the harass worker. No, some workers, they will just see you. Pray, say, may you not jump some worker when they will see you, when they will just, create hate or they'll just like say what they do. See, and when they feel when they happy, some people when they happy, they sad, they move, they vex like say what did this person they do. You understand? Because if now observe that video when Miss Judy they film when they carry her whether her niece or her cousin, she wants surprise them with a first time flight to to another city. That particular person just sit down mood, he just they look and before you see he jump get up. If now they work, when they work, when they carry on a problem, carry from house come work, then now come put on for a client to a customer body. It don't make sense. Yes, if you they happy, if you not happy, another person happy, try create your own happiness through that happiness. When that person be happy, they just they outside they happy. She wants surprise her cousin when she never fly, when he never take flight before. That's even supposed to give you let me see the end, let me see the girl. Well, then the first video about the whether I'm study China for watch and be na the girl China for watch and not current known. When I watch am, for me, I want to see the girl body language. When the girl come they cry, when she come the emotion, that thing not will touch you. Now how you want to harass them? I believe say you this worker, how we should not harass our wifey. Yes, Miss Judy. I believe say other workers therefore not come and I call police. Just waiting now fit solve. Now police now come call. When you call police, now waiting police do, Mr. Man. Wetin police do, Mr. Man? Yes, I know say all state law no be the same. Every state they get their law. If you no know that, no. If you dey France, it's still say now wetin dey happen for Marseille, now dey happen for Nice. Now lie. Law different. Yes, their law different. If you think say now wetin dey happen for law they different. Okay? But some people they over they do. Some people they over they do. My people, now this one I break come out. I say, may I tell you, I say they arrest our West Africa Miss Judy, our wifey, Wodemaya wifey, Miss Judy. They arrest her for her country. Thank God say we don't carry our wife. Our wife, they go house and come out. As far as Kenyan people, they don't need you. Maybe that guy said, maybe even know you. Because I don't mind. You know, sometimes they vex. dey vex some men wey reach poor if dem see say their sister don dey become girl, their sister don dey, e want time to marry. Some men dem dey vex o, hey, this guy just dey chop my sister, this guy just dey chop my sister, some men dey vex. Maybe Oba now say he dey vex say he go marry for West Africa. Wodemaya marry am, you no fit marry for Kenya, una no come for me o, I just dey talk my own o. My people, na this one I get to talk, okay? Make una no dey harass our wife again. Kenya in the house. Don't harass my wife again. Make we the West Africa no go soon now. We know soon now. We be in-laws, okay? We be in-laws. All states not be the same. Every state get their law, okay? Drop your own opinion. What do you think about? Na true. Now wait. Na true. I talk. All states get their law. Every state get their law. Every state know wetin they want, wetin they don't want. All country, the state inside, not be the same law that they use. If not true, you dey stay France or you dey stay Africa or you dey stay any part of the country, drop your own opinion. Your own country when you dey stay, all the states in that country, now the same law that they follow. Let me know. General law they dey, but some things they when they don't they agree when everybody change. Yes. Now this one get to talk. All my returning, in fact, I don't buy. In fact, if no you now who they there? Now we they run now. Now I appreciate you guys. Without you guys, Naija Daughter is not. Please still follow me in Esther Family TV. You will meet my family there, my children. Okay. If you never subscribe, do where to subscribe. Always give me this thumbs up. Oh, drop your opinion. Wait till you think. Our wife in Miss Studio, Clear Road. Now you there, not any other Miss Studio. The remaining one that I
for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I they win by default.